Hey everyone, today I want to talk about the Thermrup heating insole. I just bought them recently and I can tell you something. I'm very surprised, I'm very amazed by the quality of these insole because I have bought like electric socks which cost me like $100. Almost the same price as this is a little bit cheaper, $85 plus tax. But the electric socks didn't last long and these guy and also the electric socks that I purchased, not this guy, but I purchased electric socks from another company, and it's only the tip of the socks that heat up, not the entire foot, right? But this guy here, the entire foot heats up, which is a very good thing. The first thing you want to consider is you see here this is where you need to cut your if you need to cut something, it has to be cut over here on the sides with the line. All the lines are there. Now the thing is, I made a mistake for this install. I cut the tips over here, and then I was not supposed to cut it here. It doesn't affect anything. It still works. Like don't get me wrong, it still works, but it's just that you're not don't cut anything that is red. Do not cut it. All right, just whatever is white, like right. Okay, so here it tells you the size of your foot. So if you wear a 38, like so you should cut over here, right? So yeah, and yeah, but like I said, I made a mistake. I cut the tip instead of cutting. I was supposed to cut over here, but it still works. Don't get me wrong, it still works because I tried it for 2 days and it's very warm. Trust me. The other thing is the cable. See, the cable is on this. I don't know if you can see it here. It's right there on the side. All right. So the cable goes inside over here. It heats up the entire material. Uh, this. Let me show you. Sorry about that. So you got this guy here. I don't know if you can see it. So this you connect it to the battery, which is attached to I don't know if you can see it, the strap over here. The battery is inside the gator, and I'm going to show you the battery. It's over here. Okay, I'm going to put it over here for you. All right, so this is the battery. Now to power it on, you just press over here one time, boom. So oh wait, now it's not going to work because I need to connect the, sorry. I'm just going to connect it for you first. Okay, so now it's connected. So to power it on, you just hold it for like 2 seconds. Boom. So now it's powered on. Do I feel it? Let me see. I'm just gonna put my hand over here. It takes like like I said, 20 to 25 seconds, maybe a minute. Just give it like 45 seconds and you're gonna feel it. I kind of feel it, but I know it's warm. Trust me. When I tried it, like I just tried it today, and it was like, see, now I'm feeling it right now. Okay, anyway, so you got the power. That's the maximum power, which is let me see, what does it say? 100. So that's 100%. Then you get 75. Then you get 75%, 50%, and the last one is 25%. So I use it on 25% usually because it lasts longer. So you get, for 25% of the power, you get at least 10 hours. You heard me, 10 hours of heating. And trust me, and that's considering the fact that I'm wearing two wool socks, two pairs of wool socks. So if you wear only one pair of socks, and let's say it's minus, oh yeah, it was minus 5 degrees outdoor. Okay, so minus 5 degrees outdoors with two pairs of wool socks, and at 25% power, you get at least 10 hours of warm on your foot, each foot. Okay, the other one is inside my boots over there. So now, so this is good for minus 5 degrees, but if it's like minus 10, minus 15, minus 25, and if you wear only two pair of socks or one pair of socks, so you have to play with it and see which one is the best for you, to which power is best for you, depending on the temperature you are, the area you are and everything, the wind, everything. What I highly recommend, if you want to save battery on this guy, to wear 2 or 3 pairs of wool socks. Okay, it's very important. Wear 2 or 3 pairs of wool socks, because then your foot's gonna be warm, already warm, and if you add that as well, it's gonna help you to remain warmer without using extra power, right? So that's a smart thing to do. I use 2 pairs of wool socks because it's not like winter yet. It's only like minus 5 degrees approximately right now in November. So yeah. The other thing, so I'm going to show you inside the boost how it looks like. So it's in there. I don't know if you can see it. Wait, I might focus that. So it's inside there. Now, one thing to that I'd like to mention, you see the cable? Be careful. This is very sensitive. You don't want to like, like pull it hard like this because you're going to cut it. You're going to break it. And as you can see, the cord, let's say, so this is the right foot. The cord needs to be on the left side. You see? So this is my right boots. And there's the cord go on the left side. So if I put it in my left boot, if I put the insole in my left boot, the cord will be on the right side. You understand? So why do I say that? Because if you put it like this, see, if you put it like this, the cord goes around, it will go over the insole, and you're going to step on the cord. And if you step on the cord, you have risk to actually, break it or whatever. So you don't want to break it, so you want to leave it on so if this is your right boot, you want to put the cord like you have to, don't lift it, but like you have to let it like this, like pull it up a little bit and just leave it like that. All right. So when that is done, then you put your foot in. Always hold this. All right. Don't pull it up. Just pull it a little bit, but not like super strong. And then put your foot inside. Like I'll show you right now. So I put it like this. And see, I hold the cable, right? And sorry, because I'm using one hand to record. Oh shit. Okay, so I did it. So as you can see, now the cord is in there on the left. So this is okay because I'm not stepping on the cord, and the cord is like on the left side of my right boot. Okay, and then when that is done, you go to your battery here. Sorry about that. I'm gonna have to unstrap it here. So see, it's strapped. I just remove this. So this is the connector. Sorry if you don't. There you go. Take the connector, connect it over here. So see, I'm connecting it now. Poof. Then you remove it, and then you choose the power. So you press hold the power here. Boom. So I'm gonna put it. I don't know. The one here, which is what does it say? 50%? Yeah, 50%. So you got 50% or whatever, 25%. And then I put it back inside here. Strap it like this. And that's it. You're good to go. Just make sure you don't see, just let the cord loose like this, all right? Just leave it loose, and then put your pants on. And these are my underpants, by the way. Yeah, because I wanted to show you the strap. This is the gaiter. See, the gaiters are strapped over here. So you got like Velcro. So if it's, you can put around, it depends on your boots. I have high boots, so I have to put it under my knees. But if you're wearing like boots which is short, then you have to put it around your ankle, right? So the Velcros are here. So as you can see, the Velcro, I don't know if you see it. Sorry about that. You can remove the Velcro. Like, well, anyway, the Velcro is over here. Like my back is hurting because I'm like twisting my body all around. But I want to show you because you see the Velcro here. I don't know if you can. Damn shadow. I hate my shadow. So here you can put the Velcro all the way up here, but I put it like at the bottom here. Like, I don't know if you can see it. So I just put it here. Make sure you're comfortable. If you can twist. If you can put your battery on the side like I did here, it's good. See, I put it on the side, right side. So yeah, so that's it. So that's how it works. And to be honest, I'm very happy with the quality because it's really warm. If it's like -5, -10, I suggest that you put it at 50%. 50%. So here, hold it again. 1, 2, that's 50%. So at 50%, it should be warm enough for -5, -10 degrees. And above that, then you have to play with the power, depending on what type of socks that you're wearing. And that's it. If you like my review, let me know. Like and subscribe. Thank you. And I'm exhausted. Bye.